That's the reason she crashed.
Sir, 10, 15 seconds.
You're both of you.
Who else is in here?
My daughter and
You're not listening, ma'am. She has a daughter. Hold on, bro.
For what?
Because all he does is cheat and lie to me. You,
It happened mid-walk. Officers slowed, then stopped. Something about the home didn't feel right. And the more they saw, the clearer it became they had just stepped into a situation far more dangerous than expected.
So do you know the kid at all? No. So why would you?
This is when hero cops realized this house was hiding something terrible. Here is Law Zone, where features real police body cam footage documenting how officers handle tense and unpredictable situations as they happen. The first incident is that Karen mom destroys house over cheating with 4 kids trapped.
Take a chill pill, dude.
Ain't no chill pill. My kids are in here. She don't care if the kids' arms are broken. The kids are literally right.
On June 6th, 2025, police were dispatched to a reported domestic disturbance after multiple calls described a female resident breaking the windows of a home and a vehicle while screaming at her live-in boyfriend. A passerby reported that the woman had engaged in a physical confrontation with her boyfriend before briefly leaving the scene upon learning that police were en route.
cheating on me for about 9 months now. With this girl. Hey, sir! Take
What's
me,
going
sir!
on?
Take me! I hope you die! I hope God kills you!
What's going
Take
on?
me, sir!
For what?
Because all he does is cheat and lie to me!
Okay.
Take me!
Go back
Take
inside.
me.
Go back inside.
Take me! Fuck you!
And she lives there. She can break her own house.
I hope you die! I hate you!
Stop.
I hope you die!
Go inside.
Don't give a-
Go
don't give a-
inside. Go inside.
Don't
Go
hit that
inside.
bitch.
Go
Push it.
Get
Don't hit
inside.
that.
Stop.
Don't hit that.
Stop.
Don't hit hard, bitch. You want
Stop.
now?
Get up against-
Leave.
Stop.
I hope you die.
Stop.
No,
All right,
fuck
then quit f***ing fighting. Stop.
you lying ass bitch.
Stop.
I hope you die.
Stop.
Fuck me, son.
Yeah, well, you're f***ing
Thank
fighting.
you.
So chill out.
You got my baby.
Give me a second.
Thank you.
Jesus Christ.
I don't care, son. I've been doing this for 10 years. Get that bitch out
Why
my
are
house.
you here? Stop.
God, please get that bitch out my house. son.
Stop. Quit yelling.
Get that bitch out my
I
house.
will
She
talk
ain't
to you in a
allowed my
second
house.
when you stop yelling.
Please.
The mail states the woman returned after briefly leaving and resumed disruptive behavior, including throwing objects and damaging property.
Please
Okay.
get that bitch out my house.
Take a breath and chill out.
Please get that bitch out my house.
Yeah, take a breath and chill out.
My landlord will tell you she's not welcome here. Get her out of my house, God. I hope you die, God. I hate you so much.
Make that phone call before I got one to
I wish I never met you. You're the worst person in my life.
Stop. Jesus
I hate
Christ.
you,
Stop.
I hate you.
Stop.
Fuck you, bitch. Die. Pay your own bills, you bum ass bitch. Pay me.
Chill out. When I tell you to go inside.
No, she just came to the kids right there.
Yeah.
She threw the scooter.
Okay, that's what I'm about to ask you.
You want to ask me some shit that you see? Call the dispatcher. She just
He reports she pushed him while he attempted to secure the door and then threw a scooter through a window while children were nearby.
heard her smashing shit and throwing the scooter at me. Yeah, now she did hit me.
I need to talk to you about that.
I
That's why I'm
calling
here.
y'all and went through the. It said beep beep 3 times. I called.
I don't answer
Now,
those
what the
phones.
fuck?
Why
I
are
turn
you
around
yelling
and
at me?
beat that
Take
motherfucker
a
up.
chill pill, dude.
Ain't no chill pill. My kids are in here.
Okay, you're
I told
yelling at me.
y'all
I don't
last
answer
time,
fucking phones.
You guys took her for 20 minutes to her champagne. She said she needed to get a midget.
Not you guys. That wasn't either of us.
Same shit. It's your team. Whatever the you want to call it. They took her. She called my dad in 20 minutes. Came back and did the same thing.
Get his
Quit
girlfriend out
kicking
my house.
my windows.
Get his girlfriend out my
Quit
house.
kicking
Then
my windows.
arrest me. Get his girlfriend out.
Quit.
Additional details are provided about the incident, including that children were inside the home during the damage, and that the situation escalated quickly.
Okay, what happened?
I was literally sitting here. I told you I was making nuggets. She called. She said, "Show back up here," screaming that the necklace. This is her sister's necklace. She thinks that that's the necklace on her, but her brother too got shot. So she's thinking that's the same necklace. So she's on her face with her daughter in her hand. I got it all on record. She's like, "Give me my necklace." I'm like, "Dude, I swear to God, I got receipts for it. I bought it for my own sister. The heart necklace. I literally bought that shit. The kids were crying. She stepped in, she grabbed the baby because she hit the window first with that scooter. And I seen it crack. So she, boom, slammed it through her again. Get her stuff off my neck. Get her stuff off my neck. Da, 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 da. I'm like, what are you talking about? It's not your shit. You need to relax. She came to get her kid because you keep calling her kid a bitch and stuff. So she came to get her kid. But she don't care about that. So I locked the door. Here's the results.
So she came back after
You
we
can ask
left.
the dispatcher too, like I was saying. She's like, is that her screaming? She heard the crash, and she's like, oh, don't engage. She's like, go inside and lock the door.
What did she do after she broke the windows?
She just kept screaming.
A witness states the woman attempted to enter the home, grabbed personal items, and threw objects before the window was broken.
Domestic. It's not domestic. I'm not with that bitch.
You have a child with her, so it's domestic.
I don't have it. How would you?
It's still domestic.
I don't understand how it's domestic.
Because you were in a domestic relationship, you have a child together. Regardless, it's her house. She can come in and she can break all she wants in her own house. And just because you're no longer with her doesn't mean you can't punch her inside the domestic. What's her mom's number?
Yep, she broke the window. She fighting the police, all type of shit, G. I'm finding his number for him.
How are you?
Hi. I want to get paperwork served to him.
Who lives here?
She's permanently living here. He's been gone for...
I have not been gone. She likes to lie to you. I've not been gone.
You have been at another house out here.
I got videos and everything. I've been here, Norma. You've been able to invade her, helping her. I don't give a fuck what you're saying.
I'm glad you're here because this is your...
Okay, put this down. That's what Sarah did. Thank you. Sarah did that, not Drilling. It's a nice try. I don't give a fuck what you're saying. Because you're steady f***ing helping her out.
There is...
I don't care, no. She broke the window and you don't care about that shit. So there's what? I noticed to leave? Duh, she just...
Officers determine there was physical contact and property damage, along with potential risk to children inside the residence.
Just broke the window, of course.
I am terminating your lease.
Good. Tell her that because she's the one who did it. I don't stay here. Except for to watch the kids. She did it herself. So stop talking to me and take your on. For real, she being fucking disrespectful. Shut the f up and go on. Talk to that bitch in the car.
Don't worry about her. Talk to me. What's your phone number?
Old ass.
She wasn't screaming, first of all. She came over to give you a piece of paper, so...
What do we have here?
She shows back up, still drunk, screaming. He's like, get out, because they're going to get the kids and leave. She sees him, comes back, barges her way in. She's drunk, saying she wants a necklace or something, and pushes out of the way. He then shuts the door, and that's when she throws a scooter through the door with the kids right behind the door. He's saying she pushed him, so domestic at that point, and then in life and well-being of the child.
Did the witness corroborate that?
I need to talk to her. Yeah, she's been inside cleaning, and he was amped up.
The woman continues yelling and demands removal of others from the home. Officers focus on de-escalation and ensuring the children's safety.
This is not her house. She needs to
Okay.
go. I want her out of my house.
Quit
Please.
kicking my
Tell me.
door.
Put
or
me
you're
in
gonna
jail.
catch
Whatever.
another
Get her out
charge.
of my house, please.
Okay? Yeah.
She's not welcome.
Okay.
She's a home invader.
Quit kicking my door.
Get her out of my house.
Okay.
I'll quit kicking if she leaves.
my door. No, that's not how it works.
No, I'll keep doing it. She needs to
If you want to get her, if you're taking her for domestic, I can talk to her. Just get her out of here.
My sister's dead. Those are her sons in there. I want her out of that house.
Okay.
If she's not going to get out of the house, take me to jail. Do whatever you want to do. Get her out of my house. I want her out of my house, sir.
He's going to talk to her right now.
Get her and gone now.
He's talking to her right now.
I hate
Sarah.
my life. It's all my fault. Whatever
Sarah,
I caused all
he's
these
talking to her
problems,
right now.
sir.
Go to that side.
Make her leave.
Yes.
I
What
hate
do
you and die, bitch. I will die. I'll be done, bro. I hope God shuts him. My kids are in that house, sir. I got twin 2-year-olds,
Yeah,
and my sister died, bro.
I got it.
My sister's
Listen,
dead.
Sarah,
He's taking advantage of that, sir.
Take a breath.
He's taking advantage of that, sir.
Yeah, I get it. It's
So why won't y'all kick them out?
They
Take me
just
to jail.
did.
Why is she still standing right there, bro?
First of all, there's kids there.
She needs to leave. It's my kids.
Officers gather statements about custody and living arrangements for the children, discussing who can safely care for them.
Not hers. Tell her to take her kid and go.
Her kid's here.
My kids. That's her fault. Because she my baby daddy. Oh, well.
Okay. Well, we're
Her
not.
and
I'm
my
not
baby
worried about
daddy
any
can
of that.
both leave.
They
Y'all
are.
can call my
They
mama.
are leaving. I
They
am
are?
calling your mom.
Tell them to call my mom and tell her to come get the kids.
That's
and
what-
tell Jen
Sarah,
to never
if you would-
speak
if
to
you
me
would-
or my kids
Sarah,
again, bro.
Sarah, take a breath.
Don't speak to me no more. I hate you.
Stop.
I hope you die.
Hey, miss. Can I talk to you? Were you hearing whatever transpired here?
I walked down here to get my daughter from her dad because I came down here originally because she had showed back over there after I talked to that one officer.
Where do you live at?
I live
Okay. And who's this gentleman to you?
My boyfriend. He asked me to come down here and get our daughter from him, and so I came down here to get her, and she walked back up out of nowhere because I'd seen her get in a black car and drive off after she showed up down here, and I called him and told him about it, so he told me to come and get our daughter. She showed up back down here.
So you share a child with him?
It's his stepdaughter. It's not biologically not his. He's been there since.
So he's boyfriend. It's your
yeah,
child.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so I came down here to get her from him and stuff like that because he was already calling his mom to come get the other kids because she's acting like this. As I'm standing here with her and
After reviewing statements and witness accounts, officers decide to proceed with charges related to domestic violence and endangerment.
talking to him, she starts grabbing on my necklaces, talking about how they're hers. They're not hers. He gave this to me. He bought this and gave this to me from his sister, and this is because my brother passed away a couple years ago, and she was trying to grab on them, and I'm backing up telling her, stop touching me while I'm holding my daughter, which is when he started recording because he's like, stop touching her. And then she started throwing stuff at him, so I grabbed the kids and took them all inside and closed the door, and when that happened, she shattered the door.
What was she throwing at him?
The trikes and everything that is on the thing.
Hey Sarge, you want me to call or you call her mom to pick up the two kids?
All I'm saying is this. I've been taking care of them. They're my sons. Without her being in that picture, her mom's going to act up.
Who has custody?
Her mom.
So we're going to have to contact her because they're her. She has custody of these kids.
So listen, this is what I'm telling you. I'm trying to tell you the nicest way. That buddy.
The woman is detained, advised of her rights, and admits to throwing the scooter after being locked out while denying physical aggression toward the partner.
Doesn't give a f. We have begged her on end to help her. She don't care if the kids' arms are broken. She don't care. She cares about the benefits. So the link, the stuff, the voucher she gets, that's all she cares about. Apple and Cash App. Even she does. Of taking care of them kids since they was born. And that lady don't care. She's only going to come and, oh, you should get the kid. And then she's going to try to figure out how to drop them back off again. So if she's cool and verbally tells you to her mouth, they're cool with them. Or she's not going to tell you that. She's going to tell you that and then do some bullshit. What she going to do? She acts just like her mom.
Joe,
I'm trying to take
out
you
of my house,
sir.
son. I don't care if you get her out of my house, son.
Scoot over here.
Get out of my house.
And we're leaving.
Get out of my house.
He's getting them out. Scoot over
Get
here.
out.
And
I'll wait until she gone.
no, you're not. No.
Stop doing me like that.
Scoot over. I'm not doing you like anything.
I hate my life, sir. Make him and that little girl leave, and it won't be a problem.
Leaving.
I hate you, Joe. You hate me. You, Joe. I hope you die.
When he's talking about her mom coming to get the kids, how many kids are we talking about?
Sir, I was in prison. Her sister had 2 twins. I got out of prison a month later. I got her sister to go to rehab and stuff, right? But we were also taking care of the kids because her sister was bad on him. Okay? She wrote in a note before she passed away, if something happens, I would like Sarah, which is her, and Dre to take care of the kids. That's what we've been doing. But her mom has custody. She's never done shit but drop off diapers and wipes. And maybe a pizza or something here or there.
So, and you live here, right?
Yeah.
She's girlfriend, ex-girlfriend?
No, she's ex. Like we've
And
been.
she lives here also?
Yes.
How long have you been staying here?
Year and a half since we've been here.
Have the kids been in your care the whole time?
They've been in both of ours.
They essentially live here?
Yeah.
And you both have been living here also?
Yeah. Even when we were in Abbott Acres before we moved here.
So you live here, she lives here, and both kids have lived here for the entirety of that time. So when you were talking about her mom, who quote unquote has custody, they don't stay there, they don't live with her.
They never have.
Right.
She doesn't probably even have a piece of clothing that she can say that.
Are the kids okay in your care right now?
Yeah, they are. It's just the fact of, you see how she acts? Her mom's 10 times worse. So I don't want her to figure it out and then come here. The door, first of all, the door's not locked. Obviously we can't stay here because we're gonna have to leave. That means it's not secured. I have a pit bull that bites, so I have to figure something out with that. So I have to figure out somewhere to go. They can't go to my mom's.
But you essentially care for the children?
Yeah, I do. It's just, I just don't want, obviously she wasn't going to jail until she started resisting him, of course. But now, if something happens and I go to jail, or I can't watch.
Well, she's going to jail for domestic battery.
They don't have nobody else. Tony, they got her for DV. Domestic battery.
This is family?
Nah, that's next door.
Okay. How often does her mom see the kids or have the kids, or does she ever?
She probably comes every once a month.
Are you wanting her mom to come get the kids?
I just don't know what the outcome of me having the kids is going to be with her.
What do you mean by that?
She's gonna freak out and she's gonna want her kids because she don't want him to have them. That's what you mean.
Okay.
It's still gonna be an issue.
Like the last time before stuff escalated, she called her mom, and I had the window open, and I tried to get her on recording, but her mom was like, oh, we can go ahead and kill this bitch and he'll be out of our way. That's why I'm so iffy right now. You see what I'm saying?
I'm trying to kind of articulate if these kids are always in your care and custody, and them being here with you is just a normal day, that they would be here regardless.
Yeah, they live here.
Or if her mom should or needs to come get the kids is what I'm trying to get at. Do you have contact information for her mom?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have open communication with her where you can just call her and say, hey, you want to come get
We're
kids?
not on talking terms at all.
One of us will probably reach out to her, just let her know what's going on, meaning mom. I don't know what that conversation is going to look like, or if she's like, okay, that's fine, they can stay with.
Anything, could you do this? Could you take down my mom's information and then just her number and if you get a hold of which is her mom, let her know, like, contact his mom and you guys can figure out where the kids are at, because I'm not doing her just pull up. She's going to pull up and act stupid.
What's your mom's name?
My mom is.
We'll try to figure something out. If you have any issues, be it with the kids or otherwise, just call us back and we'll get it figured out, okay? All right, thank you.
He's not gonna be safe for my kids. Can you please ask him for my mama number?
I have your mom's number. I have your mom's
I
number.
wanna trust my sons.
I have your mom's number. I have your mom's number. I have your mom's number.
Please call her.
Take a breath. Your mom's being called. We are calling your mom. Take a breath. You're probably going to see a judge tomorrow morning.
Y'all ain't kick him out of my house.
He's not staying there, okay? But we're trying to work on getting your kids somewhere safe. Does 650 sound like your mom's address? Okay. Are you going to chill out? Let me talk to you? Okay. You got to stay in there, but I'm going to read you this so I can talk to you, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law or other proceedings. You have the right to speak with an attorney and have an attorney with you before and during any questioning if you wish. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you free of any cost. You can decide to exercise these rights at any time. Do you understand these rights? Verbally?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what happened today?
He's been cheating on me for about 9 months now with this girl, the one else over there, with her kid.
Okay, so we come out there earlier today and you took off.
Yeah.
And you come back. What happened there? There's a scooter through a window. The people saying you were pushing him.
On my house. It's my house. I can do what I want to my property, right?
Yeah, you can.
Right?
But you can't start pushing.
I didn't push nobody.
Okay, well,
I tried to get in my house.
most people saying you pushed them.
On God.
You also threw a scooter through a window with
I
kids
threw
behind the
scooter
glass.
through the window because they wouldn't let me in the house.
I get that, but there's kids behind the glass. So I get
There
it's
was
your
no
house and you
kids
can.
behind the house.
Okay, well.
He says that.
You
so
telling
he
me
can
this
get
is
more
going to go
trouble.
in the report, but I need you to talk to me.
I told you what I did. I threw the
Okay,
scooter in
so
the house. He wouldn't let
what
me
did
in the
he do
house.
to you?
He went screaming if I knew, let me in the house. He locked me out of my house because I caught him cheating me in.
Did he hit you? Did he kick you?
No.
Okay. Hop on out for me.
The individual was charged with domestic battery and a charge related to endangering the life or health of minors. Remember, escalating conflicts in shared living situations can quickly lead to legal consequences, especially when others are present. Protecting the safety of everyone in the environment, particularly dependents, is a priority during disputes. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. The situation escalated really fast once emotions took over. It's concerning that the children were so close to everything happening. You can see how complicated these domestic situations can get for officers. You think the officers were out of options here? Watch what happens next on the BodyCam. And tell us if you would have done the same. The next incident is when Walmart bully with AIDS attacks. 8-year-old mom backfires instantly.
Hey, what?
He said, do you want to get stabbed in the eye?
So you assaulted a child that's not even yours. He's a child, man.
I don't care who you are. If you coming up behind me like that, you asking for trouble.
You're asking for trouble.
And I told him, what are you trying to get yourself slapped or something?
On April 3rd, 2025, police officers were dispatched after receiving reports of a man striking several individuals inside a Walmart store. Upon arrival, officers immediately proceed to detain him.
So do you know the kid at all?
No.
So why would you
Detain him.
Which section is he in?
He's an HBA down there, right past pharmacy on the right.
The little boy that was with him.
Smith, we're right here. Cool, for the time being. Cool, so at this point in time, you're being detained on suspicion of battery, possibly child abuse, but we'll figure that out. Do you have an ID on you, sir?
Yeah.
Cool. Where's it at?
Right here in my pocket.
Okay.
Anything else in your pockets?
Nope.
For the sake of everything, before we ask you any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to speak with us now?
Yeah.
Can you tell us what happened?
Yeah. First of all, the boy that was behind me, he yelled. He started yelling and screaming at me, not at me, but he yelled behind me. And I turned around and looked at him and said, "What you trying to do? Get yourself slapped?" And then he
claims he warned the boy verbally, after which adults approached him. He alleges they confronted and struck him first.
His parents on me, the three women that were with him, they come walking up to me, telling me, "Did you say something to my boy?" I said, "Yeah." And then she didn't even give me a chance to explain myself. And then they started yelling and screaming at me.
Define came at you.
Came at me like this.
Okay.
Yeah, like that. I backed up. I was surprised, so I backed up. And I started walking away from her. And then she came at me again. This time I stood in my defense mode, and then that's when they physically attacked me. They physically attacked me.
Okay.
She hit me in my left eye.
She hit you in your left eye?
Yeah.
Which one?
The tall one. Yeah, the tall one reached over the other woman that was speaking to me and punched me in my left eye.
And where did this happen in the store?
It was before the cooking.
Over there?
Yeah, that's when I got a demotion. But they punched me in my eye. And then I grabbed her around her neck, just holding her back.
The man admits grabbing one individual by the neck area, while attempting to push others away, describing it as self-defense.
By the throat or by the neck?
By the throat. I was actually just pushing them away from me. And that's when the other one who punched me in my left eye started reaching over trying to hit me again.
So you're saying that they hit you first?
Yeah.
In your left eye?
Yeah, my left eye.
All right.
Oh, and that's when I got into protection mode. You know, and I held her by her neck back from off me. And I started pushing them off me. And that's when the other one reached around her and tried to hit me in my eye again. All I was doing was protecting myself. That little boy started that whole scenario.
Because he was screaming?
Yeah, standing up behind me like...
A parent reports the man made a threatening remark toward her son, then became aggressive when confronted, including pushing and grabbing.
I have something, he went to go put it in the cart with my mother over there. And when he was putting it in the cart, I guess the guy was in front of him. He said to him, "Do you want to get slapped?" Okay. And so I approached him and I said, "Excuse me, is there a problem with my son?" And he said, "Yeah." He was talking to me, making all that noise behind me like he's crazy. And I said, "Well, if there's a problem with my son, please address me." And before I could even finish my statement, he's like, "I'll slap you." Okay. And I said, "No, you're not going to slap me." He's like, "I don't give a f***." And he starts going, we're yelling. I don't remember exactly every word that was said. And then I'm standing in front of him. He goes to push me.
A teenage individual states the man grabbed her by the hair and neck, leaving visible marks. Officers observe injuries consistent with her statement.
He pushes me and my daughter, gets her by the face and the neck. There's marks all over her neck.
How old is your daughter?
She's 15.
Are you okay with me talking to her?
Yes, that's okay.
Hey, sweetie. All right, you want to tell me what happened? Yeah, we had been up over there to him to ask what had happened with my brother because he had said something to my brother. And then my mom had went up there respectfully trying to ask the question or whatever, but he had just automatically got aggressive, raised his hand up at my mom. So I was just right behind her, and then he had reached over, grabbed my hair, scratched my... I didn't even realize how bad it was. I thought it was just right here in your face.
Sorry, I'm trying to... Okay, so after he grabbed your neck, he walked away.
She's got marks on the right side of her neck.
Did he grab you at all?
Yeah, my arm, but I don't think there's any marks. It was this arm.
The man continues to deny wrongdoing, stating he acted only to protect himself and was reacting to perceived threats.
Right here.
So you would do you want to get
Right. He what?
He said, "Do you want to get stabbed in the eye?"
Yeah, something stupid like that. And he was bouncing around, put something in the cart, and I said, "Did I hear that right?" That's how the whole thing
At any point, did he show a weapon, a knife?
No.
How did he grab her around the neck?
So I guess when he pushed mom, he came around mom and grabbed her by the hair and then scratched her on the neck.
I knew this was something like this was going to happen. I just knew it.
Why you say that?
Because the way people act. Because I'm a master of metaphysics, and I've been going through this for 24 years, 3 months and 3 days. People bother me for no reason, so I keep my guard up, you know. That's why I told that little boy he shouldn't do that because he's going to get slapped in the face for attacking for coming at people like he crazy. And I don't understand. And then I see where he gets it from. I mean, they was yelling and screaming as if I committed a crime or something, as if I'm the one that's at fault. And then they started lying on me. Oh, he hit me. Oh, he did this. Oh, he did that. I said, what? Oh, let me leave. I said, I'm leaving. Let me get all my stuff before the police come. But I knew y'all were coming. That's why I just took my time and just waited. I knew you're clear my name. But I don't let people put their hands on me. Put your hands on me. That's when long they were running their mouths, I didn't care about that too much. But when they started coming up on me like that, I backed up a little bit, just to guard myself. And they kept coming. I mean, women. As I said, they were men or something. Up against me? Yeah, right.
The man reiterates that others initiated physical contact, while officers continue gathering statements from all involved parties.
I won't hit a woman in self-defense, I will. I won't hit them first, though. I know better than that.
So, we talking about what's going on today?
Yeah, those women attacked me for yelling at her son, for yelling and screaming up behind me. Because that makes me nervous when people yell up behind me like that. After I told him that, he went and told them, and then they walked up to me, as if it was I did a great sin or something. And then they started yelling and screaming at me. I ignored them. I started walking away. And then? Oh, and that's when they got closer to me. That's when she swung on me, hit me in my left eye. On the base.
Let me see if you have any injuries.
No, I don't have no injuries. Because I reflected, I backed up like that when I saw her fist coming at me.
Did she make contact with you?
Yeah.
Where?
She hit me right in my left eye. Yeah.
I don't see anything on your eye.
Yeah, I know, because I backed up when I saw that fist coming flying at me. And then I got mad, and that's when I grabbed her by her throat, pushed all three of them back.
Okay.
Because I exercise every day.
So which one did you grab by the throat?
Oh, the first one that was in front of me.
The older one or the younger one?
Yeah, the older one. Okay. Her I grabbed by the throat.
And then what'd you do to the younger one?
She swung at me again. That's when I was trying to...
What's your name?
Richard.
So that's the grandma in the black shirt. I think she pushed her cart in to try and... Yeah. He was yelling at the 15-year-old. So they continued BSing, and then that's when he threatened to hit her. And then that's when it all went.
Because on one hand, absolutely in no way, shape, or form should she have had a 15-year-old and I'm assuming a 8 or 9-year-old, brought them into that situation, and then when he tried to leave, continued the confrontation and continued to go on at him, while he shouldn't have said anything in the first place.
An independent witness reports seeing the man act aggressively toward multiple individuals, describing the scene as chaotic.
The video shows him trying to leave, and they continued to encroach on him.
Well, I mean, they were stopped in the same spot.
So from right here to where he moves his arm up, what were they saying? Were they threatening to beat his ass? Okay.
On that part of it, I mean, it could go both ways. I'm not going to lie.
If we need it, we'll come burning, okay? You got it. Thanks, bro.
Appreciate you.
Did you see the whole incident?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, where were you standing at?
I was over by, kind of where the meat is. So this little boy and the old man came around the corner. I assumed at first they were together. He was making noise, and the old man reached over and went like this at him. And the little kid, backed up. And I was like, damn, Grandpa's getting a little... You know what I mean? And they go around the aisle, and as I'm walking down, I hear them yelling, something about, don't put your hands on that kid, he's a little boy, you're a grown man, blah, blah, whatever. I turn around the corner, I hear him all screaming and yelling, and he's just swinging on them. He's swinging on both of them, and they're, trying to, pull away from him and everything.
After reviewing video evidence, officers conclude the man engaged in physical actions against others and did not withdraw from the situation.
So watch that.
Okay. Let me watch it real quick. Your exact words were you want to get slapped? Is that what you said?
That's it. Hey, what are you trying to get yourself slapped in the face? So I'm going to jail.
Yeah, it looks like you pushed the younger girl by the throat back, and then you grabbed the mother for battery. So it's going to be, that's what it looks like to me.
Yeah. You didn't see what it was pussy in my eye?
I saw where someone pedestrian came in to try to intervene, to try to get you to de-escalate, and then you turned back around, and then you started another altercation because you were walking right toward him.
The man is informed of the charges and placed under arrest. He maintains that others were responsible.
What?
Yeah, there's nothing showing anybody.
Yep.
Them hitting
Okay, let's go.
So,
I'll walk this with your cars over there.
Obviously, y'all had to watch the whole video.
yep, we sure did. Come on. I understand that you might get frustrated and stuff like that, but you can't do that, man.
I didn't even do nothing. Those women hit me first.
Oh, what we got on video was different. Okay.
No, yeah, well, your video's wrong. We're doing first punch me in my damn eye. First.
You have the opportunity to walk away and you chose not to.
Man, I walked away. Yeah, right. You're on their side.
I'm on the video side. I'm here.
We watched the whole video then.
I did.
Spray your feet.
Oh.
Officer, are you taking him?
Hey, man.
I'm here to pick him up.
Nope.
Okay, I have to make sure. All right.
Are you able to get your foot inside?
I'm trying. I can rest for a minute.
Okay, so once you get in there, I'll roll the window down. I'll turn the AC up, okay? That way you can get some air.
Okay.
Have you ever been arrested before?
Yeah.
For what?
During processing, the man discloses a medical condition. Officers continue standard procedures and transport him.
What?
A long time ago.
Long time ago?
2009.
What was it for?
I forget.
Yeah, was it battery?
Yeah, it was battery.
It was battery?
Yeah, she lied on me. Like these people here lie on me. You people take the word for it. You can close the door.
Well,
I'm all right.
Hey, let me ask you a couple questions, man. Do you have any medical?
Yeah, I have AIDS.
What is it?
I have AIDS.
You have AIDS?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey.
What's up, man?
Yeah, I forgot to mention that the boy was bothering me before that.
Okay.
Before he yelled at me, he was bothering me because the woman was blocking the rice and beans. And I was trying to get to the rice and beans. I had to say, excuse me. And then the boy attacked me again.
Is that everything?
You gonna get the video in that one as well?
What's up, boss?
How they were bothering me earlier before that, blocking the rice and beans.
Okay.
Can you get that video too for my lawyer?
Yeah.
Thank you. Can you grab my shirt or something and help me out?
What is it?
You gotta grab my body, help me out. Yeah, just grab my arm right there. There you go.
Well, if you slide that out, go ahead and take the food out.
Okay.
The individual was charged with felony battery, second or subsequent offense, and 2 counts related to actions involving minors without severe injury. Remember, verbal confrontations in public spaces can escalate quickly, especially when multiple people become involved. Surveillance footage and witness accounts play a key role in clarifying disputed incidents. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. The video evidence really changed how the situation looked compared to the initial claims. It shows how quickly misunderstandings can turn into something serious. Good to see officers checking both sides before making a decision. The tension is already high, or so it seems. What the BodyCam captures next saves a life pause and comment what you do here. The next incident is when Karen mom traffic stop with 13-year-old turns into a total disaster.
Who else is in here?
My daughter and
You're not listening, ma'am. She has a daughter. Hold on, bro.
The weapon was like under the child's seat. It was readily accessible and it was loaded, bro. So
you better not pee in my unit.
I'm already peeing.
oh my.
On August 27th, 2023, a police officer observed a vehicle with covered windows racing through a 75 miles per hour safety corridor at 94 miles per hour. Bringing the vehicle to a stop, the driver remained hesitant and unyielding to the commands of the police officer.
Hands, bro. Why are your windows covered like that? Step out of the vehicle, man.
Both windows are covered with some sort of blankets or sheets.
Driver, can you not listen to me? Open the door. Let me see your hands. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. You need to come out.
It appears to be a female. She's flipping me off at this time and she's just yelling. I can't hear her. And she's still refusing to get out of the vehicle.
Open up that door and you need to come to the sound of my voice, ma'am. Force will be used. Thank you. Go ahead and step out. Let me see your hands right now. Let me see your hands. Step out.
Step out. Who else is in the vehicle? Bring down the windows. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle.
Driver exits after continued commands. Officer questions speed and possible intoxication. Driver resists physical control during detention.
Stop.
Who else is in here?
My daughter and
You're not listening, ma'am. I'm telling you. I told you to open up. Come here.
And
I need to talk to you. Open up this window.
Have to.
No, come here.
And I
She has a daughter. Hold on, bro. Just come out. Come here, ma'am. Just stop resisting. Stop resisting. Hold on, baby. I'll be right with you. Look, no, ma'am. I'm giving you commands, okay? Stand by right now. I'm gonna talk to your daughter. You do. You're going 94. You're going 94 on a 65. Are you intoxicated right now? Hey, what's wrong with you? Why aren't you cooperating? What's wrong with you? She's intoxicated.
Officers attempt to place the driver under arrest for resisting. She refuses to enter the patrol vehicle, leading to escalating commands and warnings.
Is this really worth it? Is this really worth it?
Let go of my handcuffs.
What do you think this is?
I don't want to use force in front of your daughter.
Small daughter in the vehicle. What's wrong with you?
You guys are dumb.
Okay, what's wrong with you?
All right. I'm giving you commands. You're not listening. Don't resist.
Stop.
You have one.
Just stop resisting, ma'am. This isn't worth it, all right?
You're getting more charges added, right?
I'm not resisting. You guys are just
You have your daughter there, man.
I know, and that's embarrassing.
This is funny. This isn't.
You're running your place under arrest, okay, for resisting. How much have you had to drink today? All right. Go ahead and come in here.
No, you guys are so embarrassing. Stop. I don't have to go in there.
Are you drunk? You're under arrest right now.
No, I'm not drunk and I don't have to go in there.
Get in there
I
right
do
now.
not.
Get in there.
No.
Get in there right now. Get in there right now.
Pepper spray means you can pepper spray yourself.
Get in.
I'm not stupid.
Get in right now, man.
I don't have to.
Get in right now.
Pepper
I'm gonna use a taser. Get in right now. Get in there right now.
Again.
Get in there right now.
Okay.
Get in there right now, or I'm gonna go ahead and use it again. Sit down.
What's
right
wrong
now.
with you? Get in the vehicle.
Sit down.
What's wrong with you?
I'm about to dress on you again, ma'am.
Nothing is wrong.
Sit down right now.
I'm sitting.
Go inside. Go inside.
Is on the
Get inside right now. Get inside right now. I'm gonna dress on you again.
My daughter is right.
Okay.
Hey, stop. That's enough. That is enough.
Officer begins questioning about alcohol use and requests a breath test. Driver denies drinking and refuses testing. Miranda rights are read.
Put her feet on there.
No,
Hey, relax right now.
You guys saw both of them. You want to know why you couldn't?
You're not following commands. You're drinking right now. You shouldn't be drinking and driving.
You could see both of them, couldn't you? Yes or no? Because you're not going to answer because you know that you could.
I couldn't see anything. I'm on this side. I'm giving you commands.
Oh, yeah, you can see
Okay. All right, ma'am. I'm gonna ask you something, okay? Would you want to provide a breath test, breath example? Where are you coming from right now, ma'am? All right.
And don't ask my daughter. You don't have my permission to ask my daughter.
What's up? I'm gonna take this up.
Hope your daughter.
You hope my daughter is?
Yep, I do.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How much have you had to drink, ma'am?
Nothing.
Watch out.
Oh, you just so you know, I already showed my hands, and I didn't have to step out of my vehicle. I'm not
There we go.
stupid.
So just pay attention. I'm about to read some stuff, okay?
Listen.
I'm just gonna read you your rights.
Hurry up.
So
But did I have to step
you
out
have
of
the
my
right
vehicle?
to remain
Yes or no?
silent.
No, I
Anything
didn't.
you say can and will be used against in court. If you guys can go check on the daughter, bro, please.
You guys do
Okay.
not
Does he have it
my
already?
permission to
Okay,
talk
cool.
to her.
So if you cannot afford an attorney, one can be provided to you before questioning at no cost. Do you understand these rights? With these rights in mind, would you wish to speak to? So I can smell alcohol. How much have you been drinking?
Driver continues non-cooperation, refuses to provide identification, and is informed of additional charges. Officers arrange care for the minor.
Nothing. Close my daughter's doors.
She's refusing any sort of test. So initial stop, she's going 91 on 75. Windows are covered. She wouldn't follow commands. Wouldn't get her hands out. When she got her hands out, she wouldn't want to come out.
Both of you couldn't see them, and that's not my fault.
I told you to step out, right? You didn't listen.
Do
Okay.
I have to? Yes or no?
You didn't want to
No,
talk to me?
do
I don't need to
not.
talk to you right now.
I do not have to step my feet out, and you know that.
Where's your ID, ma'am? Do you have any sort of ID?
No.
Where is it? Where's your ID?
It's none of your business.
All right, watch your foot.
No.
Quick in my door. Cause
You
two,
guys
we're.
do not have my permission to
Put your foot in right now.
my daughter or my car. Just
foot
so
in right
you
now.
know, you don't have.
Do you have anyone that could come pick your daughter up right now, or you want the state to take her away? Do you want her to leave with the state? I'm just trying to identify this female, bro. She's not being cooperative.
Vehicle inventory reveals personal belongings and confirms a loaded weapon positioned within reach of the minor. Vehicle is prepared for towing.
No more. You're not no more. What's your name? All right, usually you get added charges, okay, for concealing identity. Alrighty. Okay, that's kind of weird. How much you have to drink today?
Model showing a 12 as color temper.
All right, you'll get your phone right now. That way your grandma can come pick up your daughter. We'll go down there and then we'll call grandma. That way we can get her to get picked up. 100. What's going on?
I can get my money that's in my car. I need you to account for that.
It's $117. I just counted them.
There's in my purse. Did you get my purse?
I didn't get your purse.
Okay.
All that can't go to the jail with you, okay? They're not gonna accept it in there.
No, that's fine.
We're getting an inventory because your car's getting towed, okay? So everything's gonna be getting out. So there's the purse. Those are next to the gun. There's no money in this purse. What's up, brother?
Not even in a car seat, huh?
No, so she didn't have a seatbelt. She was on this side, and then the weapon was right under her legs, bro. Like it was already accessible to the child as well. So yeah, dude, the weapon was like under the child's seat. And it was readily accessible and it was loaded, bro. So you're gonna get a phone call right now once we get to where we have to go, okay?
During transport, driver behaves disruptively and urinates in the patrol vehicle. At the station, officers coordinate with family and state services to transfer custody of the minor to a relative.
Don't tell me I gotta call her to the jail. Don't do that to her, please.
You were given more than enough chances, man. You don't want to talk to me? Cool. You made me do my job. I'm gonna do my job. Let's see what else we got in here. It's like she was moving out or she lives out of her car, bro. What baffles me that the 1080 was right there, right at the child's seat. Yeah, dude, and readily available, bro. Yeah, it's just, this is clothing, bro, and I mean,
little girls like toothpaste, toothbrush, hair stuff.
Little girl stuff. So yeah, it's just miscellaneous clothes. There's the high heels. It seems like she lives out of her car. Appreciate you guys, man. Thank you guys. Cool. Quit moving around, man. What are you doing? You don't gotta be so disrespectful, man. Just hold it. You better not pee in my unit. You're gonna have to clean it if you pee it, alright?
I'm gonna clean it, Vasquez. Who's gonna clean it?
Don't pee on it. We're almost there. Don't pee in my seat.
Vasquez, I'm gonna pee. I'm not gonna have to clean it. What the f am I gonna pee? Alright, Vasquez, I'm gonna pee. You're taking the longest wee ever.
We're almost there. Hold on.
How long are you gonna pee?
2 minutes. You better not pee on my seat.
I'm already peeing. Sorry.
Oh my god.
I told you I was gonna pee.
Oh my gosh.
Told you. And who's gonna have to clean it? Me or who? Not me.
Female urinated in the unit.
I put my hands in the front.
Step out. Why'd you put them in the front?
Because
Stand right there. Where'd you pee?
Oh, all there and then all the way to the over there.
Put that on there.
There you go.
Walk on this way. Stand right there. Go this way.
That's what I'm doing.
Walk.
Calm down. You're gonna have to clean it, huh? You said I was gonna have to, but it's gonna be you.
You should feel really proud of yourself.
I should. Which one? Oh, God. You kind of like it.
If we can put her in one of the offices, bro, and then if we can call grandma.
Officers call family members, confirm a relative can respond, and arrange release of the young passenger to family instead of state custody. The video ends with the listed charges and the passenger being picked up.
Okay, for the DWI, do you want me to read it to you to see if you want to provide a sample or not? Okay, thank you. That's all I needed to know. Why are you taking your clothes off? Oh, that's where you peed on? Okay, that's fine. As long as you put them on right now.
Do you have the grandma's number? Do you have grandma's number?
Of course I do.
Can I have it? So we can call her?
I can call her.
No, we're gonna call her.
I was told that I could call her.
Are you gonna give me the number or not?
Are you just gonna let me call her?
No. No? Okay, CYFD is on their way. CYFD, the state. Well, are you going to give me the grandma's number or not? Because they're on their way, so I could call the grandma to come over here so she could meet CYFD here. I don't know. We're just going to tell her to see if she can come pick her up. I have no idea what that officer is, if he's going to ask her questions or not. So is that a no? We're not being weird. We want grandma to be here by the time CYFD gets here. You going to give me the number? Okay, thank you. What's the number?
Please leave your message.
Try it one more time.
Please leave your message.
Yeah, no, she's not going to answer. Hey, is that your mom? Is your mom? No. I swear. Is there another number? Does she have a second number? I called her 3 times. Huh? She hasn't answered, so is there another number that she has? You don't know it? So I'm going to see if my dispatch can get a hold of her, and then just let her know to call me, and then we'll go from there. If not, the state's going to have to take her. I promise you I'm trying everything to see if I could get a hold of her. No, I'm trying. I am. So what I'm going to do is I'll call her, I'll leave her a voicemail. Well, just give me the other number. Because CYFD's going to get here in 30 to 35 minutes. If they get here before her, then they're going to take her. So what's the other number? And make sure it is her, because we're going to ask for her name. And if it's not grandma, you're delaying the process. What's the other one?
Hello?
Yes, hi. Is this
This is Saida, yes.
This is Officer Pina with the New Mexico State Police. Are you related to Carolina Moreno and Kani?
Yes, sir.
What's your relationship to them?
Cousin?
You're the cousin? So they're okay. I was just trying to get a hold of grandma. She gave me this number. I just wanted to see if you had her number, the grandma's number, by any chance.
I think someone already contacted her because she called me.
She called you? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So she's already aware of what's going on?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Do you know who contacted her?
I don't.
And there's no way you could give me her number so I could call her?
Can I know what's going on?
Karina's under arrest, and we're trying to get a hold of grandma to come pick up Kenny, because CYFD is on their way, and if we can't get someone to release Kenny to, which grandma would be the closest, the state will have to take her, and we don't want the state to take her. So we're trying to help out.
Where are you guys at?
We're at the state police office here in Las Cruces.
Okay, well, I think she's already on her way.
She's already on her way? Okay. That's why I needed to call her, just to make sure she is, because like I said, if CYFD gets here and grandma's not here, then the state's going to have to take custody of me.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so you don't want to give me her number?
Yeah, it's
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello?
Yes, is this Lucy?
No, this is Maria.
Are you related to, Okay, what's
She's my granddaughter, and you have my great-granddaughter, Katie.
Yes, so
I'll be right there.
who contacted you? I'm sorry. We just want...
Someone from CYFD.
From CYFD? I asked her what your name was, and she said it was Lucy, but...
Nah, that's her friend.
Well, that's her friend. Okay, she told me it was her cousin.
They're related.
Okay, yes, ma'am. So they're both okay? Thank you.
I'll be there in about 10-15 minutes.
Okay, that works, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hello, ma'am. Are you Victoria?
I am.
You are? Okay, just give me 1 second. If you just want to have a seat right there, and then I'll let you in. She's with CYFD right now, and then I think she's going to want to speak with you as well. So I'll let you in. Okay, just have a seat for me right there. Okay, ma'am. Do you have your ID on you?
I do.
We have to run a triple I on you just to make sure that it's safe to release her to you.
Of course.
I just want to make sure that it is her. So let me take this to the primary officer because we're going to need all her information. Okay, give me 1 second, ma'am. I'll be back, okay? Ready, ma'am? Let me bring her to you. Ready to go home, Kenny? You got all your stuff? Okay. Your grandma's over here.
I was going to tell you that she usually leaves the weapon at home when she just must have forgotten.
Yeah, it was right next to her, actually.
Really?
Right next to her.
She never takes it with her.
She never takes it? Okay.
Just like I said, the other night, there were some guys that surrounded her car and she just had it.
In Albuquerque?
Uh-huh.
I'll let the initial officer know. And then, so you're good to go? Did I give you back all the documents that you
Yes,
gave me?
sir.
Your license and everything?
Yes,
Okay. And she got some toys there that the deputies gave them, and we gave her that bag right there.
Okay.
Here you go, sweetie. Well, that's very pretty. Okay.
Goodness, thank you.
So,
Okay.
yeah, let me walk you out there. Do you have any questions for me, ma'am?
I don't.
No? Okay.
So did you get to see all your cousins?
Let me see. Okay.
Thank you.
The driver was charged with aggravated DWI refusal, DWI with a minor present, negligent use of a weapon in a vehicle concealing identity, resisting/evading/obstructing an officer, and speeding above the posted limit. Remember, clear communication and compliance during a traffic stop can help reduce escalation and additional charges. Ensuring safe storage of hazardous items and proper care arrangements for minors is critical during travel. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. I was surprised how quickly the situation escalated once commands weren't followed. Good to see the officers focused on making sure the young passenger was safely released to family. This shows how multiple small decisions can lead to a much bigger situation. Everyone thought it was too late, until the body cam shows the exact second officers step in. Did you predict that rescue? The next incident is when Mom, with 11-year-old wrecks school bus and her world collapses.
Straight line. Let's go.
Watch it. Whoa. Alcohol and that's the reason she crashed. Sir, 10-15 seconds.
You're both of you.
On September 5th, 2025, police responded to a car crash involving a possibly impaired driver. Witnesses reported that the driver had been swerving between two lanes before making a sharp left turn at an intersection and striking the left side of a yellow school bus, which had only the driver inside. When officers approached the vehicle for questioning, they were immediately met with the strong odor of alcohol.
Hey, Dad. You okay? What happened? Let me go on your side, okay? What happened?
I was crossing over and...
You're coming on this road? You were crossing this? You were gonna go in here?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And what color was your light?
Green.
Did you already give someone your driver's license and stuff? Or no. Okay.
Ask me here.
All right. Give me 1 second, okay?
Did you guys see what happened?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
She's gonna talk to you over here.
So I was right behind her. We're coming, there's a bunch of cars, everyone's going like really slow, and they're all like trying to get around her. And she's like, keeps kind of swerving lanes, and then I was like, man, I literally at one point was like, is this a kid driving? Because this was like ridiculous. And then all of a sudden, like I'm coming up, I live in here, so I'm trying to turn in here, but I'm waiting.
Which lane was she in?
Between this one and this one. So she was like, bam, bam, bam. Yeah, and then the cars kept trying to go around her, and then by the time we got here, I was the last one behind her, and I was like, well, I have to turn, so I'm just waiting for her to get out of the way. She comes into this lane like she's like, oh shit, like I don't need to go here, like she's gonna go straight. So I was like, oh cool, maybe she's gonna go that way and go that way, whatever. But she came up this way and then she just turned left, like a sharp left, and tried to like gun it, but he was already halfway through. She T-boned into half of him. He was already halfway through the intersection. Okay. So then I go.
Officers continue gathering witness statements, confirming the same driving pattern. The driver appears disoriented and gives limited explanations.
I'm like, are you okay? I mean, she's definitely on something, whatever, that's not my business, but she was all over the road, and I was like, dang, is this like a child driving this car right now? Like, I almost was like, thought it was a kid, that's how bad it was. Okay, all right,
What's your first name? Hello.
Hi.
Thank you. Are you okay? You know where you are? Okay, I'll be back, okay? Stay over here. You guys know that hurt, right? Okay. Yeah, you guys don't have to stick around.
So I want to make sure. I was behind her. I went home, the car came back. Do you need me?
Did you see anything as well?
Yeah, I saw the whole thing.
Come on over here. What is your...
Yeah, I'm happy to do this. Basically, she's going north, swerving all over the road from what I'm getting from the witness. Bus is going southbound, and she made a sharp turn and hit the bus.
She was going very, very, very slow. I'm talking like school zoning type slow. So people were starting to pass her right on the right.
What lane was she in?
She was in the left.
That lane?
So then this lady turned right to get into the turn lane. So she was good, and she was kind of still pacing her, and then it looked like she realized, oh, wait a minute, I'm in the wrong lane, and she tried to turn. I don't think she ever saw the bus. She could not have seen that bus. The bus couldn't do anything.
Officers question the driver about the incident and check for injuries. She says she is not hurt and provides minimal details about her destination.
I thought maybe she was going to stop in the middle. She didn't stop at all.
And then just talk to the boy driver. So
Yeah.
you guys are getting. Ma'am, where do you live?
Hi. Yes.
What city?
I'm in Boynton Beach.
Okay. All right. We'll sit down. I'm gonna have the paramedics checking you. Okay? Do you remember what happened at all?
Yes.
Sure. What happened?
I had an accident.
Yeah. How did that happen?
I crossed over.
Okay. Why did you cross over? Are you going somewhere around here or?
Yes.
Which direction
to
were you?
my boyfriend's house.
Does he live in here?
Yes.
Are you injured?
No.
No, you're not hurt? You want to go to the hospital? All right, what's your full name? Okay, all right, sit down, okay? We're going to talk to the paramedics, see if they can clear her, and then we'll go from there. Hey, how you doing?
What's up, bud?
It seems like she's impaired, but I just want to make sure you guys clear her first.
So the daughter was in the car?
Officers confirm a minor was in the vehicle and ensure both occupants are medically checked. Preparations begin for towing the vehicle.
So she basically was coming over here at a slow speed, and then she made a sharp turn and T-bone, and then hit the side of the bus here.
Is anybody in the bus?
No, there's nobody.
Okay,
just
good.
the driver.
That's good. So that saves a lot of.
So this is her.
Yeah.
She's fine. They're just taking on her. We're gonna have you step out for a minute because your airbags are deployed here. Okay?
Do whatever you want.
Okay. Just hold on for a second. I'm gonna let the paramedics check on you. Hey, right here.
Hey, how's it going, man? Just got checked on you as well. What's that? Right now, we're just checking her out, making sure she's okay from the accident. Are you hurt? All right, nothing's hurting you? No. Okay, any medical problems?
No, I just want to check.
Okay, we're checking her out. She's okay right now. Do you take any medications? Prescribed?
I do. I have blood pressure.
Do you take blood pressure medications? Anything else?
Two blood pressure.
Anything else recreational or just the 2 blood pressure?
Officers initiate a DUI investigation based on observed behavior and driving pattern. The driver apologizes repeatedly and struggles to answer questions clearly.
Yeah. Ma'am, can you step out for a second? Because we got to tow your car, okay? I'll help you. Go ahead and I'll hold it for you. All right, let's walk back this way, okay? Stay right here. You can stay right here. Nothing hurting you? No? No leg injuries? You didn't hit your head? I don't see any visible injuries, so I'm just making sure you're fine, okay?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Your daughter's getting checked up right now, okay? So she's in good hands, okay?
Let's walk over here around the car so people don't hit you. So we can protect you from traffic.
Can you guide me?
Huh?
Can you guide me?
Can I guide you? Sure, okay. I can. Let's do it here. Right here is fine. Okay.
Hey, Megan, what's your full name, please? Now I'm moving on to, I have suspicion that you're under the influence of something. So now I'm conducting a DUI investigation, okay? I have to let you know.
So sorry.
It's all right. Take your time.
So sorry.
Why are you sorry for?
Talk to me. What's going on?
Did you take anything?
No.
Because I can tell, ma'am. We can tell that.
No. I haven't.
When was the last time you had a drink?
I haven't taken anything.
Okay. What alcohol? I'm talking about alcohol.
No, I haven't taken anything.
You haven't been able to tell me what your address is.
My address,
Are you injured anywhere? Are you able to answer that? Are you
no,
injured anywhere?
I'm not
You're not?
injured
Okay.
anywhere.
Okay.
And I am so sorry. I am trying
I just want to know, Megan, if you were taking anything,
No.
or drinking anything.
No,
When was the last time you had a drink?
Like 4 days ago.
4 days ago?
Yes.
Where were you coming from?
I have not. I was picking up my kid, and I have not. I'm so
Do you take
sorry.
prescription medications?
Yes, for high blood pressure.
And that's it?
Yes. I am so sorry.
The reason we're asking you those questions, ma'am, because
I understand.
you've given us all the indicating that you are under the influence of a substance. Okay? Not only you're acting your driving pattern when you were driving over the road, according to 2 people that saw you driving and you crashed into the bus. Not only that, I'm just observing you right now. You are extremely lethargic. You look like you're about to fall asleep.
I understand.
The driver has difficulty answering basic orientation questions. Officers continue assessing condition and explain the need for further evaluation.
In order to react, your pupil, your
I
eyelids
understand.
Okay.
You're
slurring your words. That's why I'm asking you all this question. So I don't know if you say alcohol.
I don't.
You don't drink at all?
No.
You never drink at all?
No.
Really?
Yes.
I thought you said you drank something 4 days ago.
That was like no.
So what did you have to drink?
This was weeks ago.
Okay, what was it?
I am telling you, I don't drink currently, and I have been.
Take your time. It's okay. We just want to make sure you're okay, and your pupils are extremely pinpoint.
Yeah.
So you didn't hit your head at all today, right? In the crash. Do you mind if we look to see if you have any bumps and everything? Okay, you can go ahead and look behind it. Do you know what today's date is?
September 4th. I'm
Do you know
fine.
what year it is?
2025.
Who's the president?
4. Oh.
Yeah, see, you're having a hard time even answering simple questions.
Who's the president?
Not Trump.
Okay. All right.
That was a joke.
Officers request field sobriety exercises. The driver becomes unsteady attempts to begin prematurely and nearly falls, leading officers to stop the test for safety.
Well, this really isn't kind of a joking matter because you've answered 3 questions.
Grab your phone so your daughter wants to call her dad, okay? No, I'll grab it.
You can stay right here.
I'm just letting you know I'm going to grab it, okay?
You can barely move. I mean, we are doing a deal on there, but I don't know what you guys.
Yeah, I mean, she's refusing.
I didn't refuse.
No, I asked you if you were okay and if you needed medical treatment. You said you were okay. You're not injured.
Either way, we got to take her to the hospital.
Right.
But yeah, I'll let you guys do your
didn't
thing.
refuse.
Man, I stated that you said that you were not injured. You told us you have no injuries.
Are you injured?
What?
I didn't refuse.
Okay, did you listen to questions
that's
that
not
she
what we
asking
said.
you?
He
Look at
asked
her
you, are
pupils.
you injured? Are you
Yeah,
injured?
No.
So that's basically what he's stating right now. That you
No,
told
but he just said, "Are you injured?" And I didn't refuse.
No, I'm saying that you said you are not injured.
Right? Are you injured?
No.
Okay.
Right. That's what we stated.
That's what he's asking you. Do you need to go to the hospital?
No.
That's what we established already. So then we were establishing your mental state. So we were asking you questions.
What's wrong? Talk to me. All they're doing is they just want to make sure you're fine.
Do you want to be medically assessed?
Can I speak with you?
Yeah. Stay right here because there's traffic coming. What's up?
I said either way, we have to take her. She's under the influence, so she has no choice. She's gonna have to go to the hospital.
This kind of seems collaborated.
Collaborated? What are you talking about?
Mommy, like, really?
I'm not understanding what you're saying. I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to find out what is wrong, like what's going on. All they want to do is they just want to make sure you're medically okay. And I'm just trying to find out.
She says she doesn't want to go, so just ask her.
I didn't say anything.
Would she be willing to do some field sobriety exercise to because you believe we like to see.
Yeah. Would you be willing to do a field sobriety exercise?
Because we believe that you're under the influence of.
Let's go.
Would you be willing to do some field sobriety
Yes.
exercise here, ma'am? Come over here real quick. Do you wear glasses?
I have contacts.
You have contacts now?
Yep. We're not going to do it here.
Yes, we are.
No.
You don't want to do it?
No.
Where would you like to do it?
Where's the straight line?
Well, don't worry about that. We'll get to that.
No.
Careful, there's Like, where's the straight line?
We have a tape. We're gonna put a tape on the ground for the straight
Let's
line.
go.
Okay? You gotta hold on. Where you going?
No.
Come over here.
No, straight line. Let's go.
That's the next step.
Straight line. Let's go.
The situation escalates as the driver becomes agitated and non-compliant. Officers detain her to prevent injury and continue the investigation.
Oh, careful. Watch
Watch it.
Whoa.
Come over here, please.
Oh my
Let's
God.
move over here. Let's move over here. Move my car. Can you take my car and move over here, ma'am?
We're gonna back it in here.
Stop.
Bro, straight line.
Come on. Okay. Hold on.
Oh my God. Straight line. Straight
We're done.
line. Straight line. Where the is the straight line?
Relax.
No, you.
All right.
Where the
Relax.
is the straight line? Where the is the straight line? No, fuck you. Oh, you want to feel me up? You want to feel me up?
Have a seat, ma'am.
No. Oh, God.
Have a seat. Come on.
Megan.
Have a seat.
Just have a seat. Just have a seat. Why? You're gonna hurt yourself. Have a seat.
Have a seat.
Why? Just stop resisting. You're gonna hurt yourself. Why? You got it?
Yeah. Call it out online, sir. 10, 15 seconds. Watch your head, please.
Signal 14. Signal 1. I think, is that the dad? That's the boyfriend. That's her.
Officers inform a nearby individual of the arrest and coordinate care for the minor attempting to contact family to avoid state custody involvement.
Boyfriend, okay.
I'll get the dad to come get her and I'll send you a picture.
Just explain to him why she's under arrest.
She said he wants to talk.
So, you need to speak to me, sir? Stay right here. Alcohol and narcotics. That's the reason she crashed. She's intoxicated.
Okay. But I'm just letting you know. Just be mindful, please.
No, she's going to the hospital now.
No, I know. Just be mindful, please. That what she was just told this morning. That's it.
You saw the way she's acting. We didn't do anything, but I understand what you're telling me too. So I get it.
I'm not disagreeing with anything you guys are doing. All right.
Where's the little kid?
She's still in the ambulance.
Okay, we have their parents coming to come pick them up.
He's in Delaware.
Delaware?
Yeah.
Okay. Because we don't want to call child services. So if you have a parent that can come pick the kid up, hey, did you make contact with anybody?
Yeah, I thought it said Delaware. He said Delaware.
Delaware. Yeah, he's in Delaware.
He's trying to get
There's a grandfather, I think.
Okay. Call his grandfather. He lives in Illinois. Okay. Hey, sir, are we able to get Melanie or Melody here?
The family, he lives in Delaware.
Yeah,
so she's kind of... I'm going to call my EMS captain and see, because if there's no adult, then she's going to have to go because the mom can't make a decision.
No.
Because the dad's saying, obviously, he's not here, so he
Anybody coming?
Yeah, he's going to get Melody with your...
I'm not doing anything.
Step out. Stay right here.
I was just telling you. Ow! There goes, right there.
Just so you know, ma'am, just kind of, obviously, just so you know, I gotta inform you this, okay? We tried to have you do this field sobriety exercise. Okay?
I just told you.
The driver is placed under arrest for DUI-related offenses and transported for medical evaluation, while officers confirm a family member is en route to take custody of the minor.
Your behavior, you refuse to cooperate, and
I didn't refuse to behave.
Okay.
I literally just told you.
Okay, right now you're under arrest for DUI, okay? Put your feet inside.
You're both of you. Both of you. I literally told you. I shared with both of you. I told you. I shared with you. You.
Actually, we can't go to the clinic. We gotta go get her. Have her try to see if she can provide a breath sample. This is the way she's acting up.
You got it? Yeah, they said her phone's still on there, but I don't see a phone, so.
We're going to the back so we can see if she wants to give birth.
All right, sounds good. Yes, sir. I'll make sure Melanie's coming, so she will beat us if it does that. I'll go with you guys, and then I'll stay with her.
Do you need us to do vitals on her before you go? Or?
The way she's acting, she kept taking her hand.
Right, she's not cooperating at all, yeah.
We'll take it. We're going to take her to the hospital ourselves. So
and the daughter said she did not pass out.
Okay,
so
good. We're heading up. All right, appreciate it.
All right, thanks, guys.
No, you're good. Thank you.
The driver was charged with DUI involving a crash with property damage, DUI with a person under 18 in the vehicle, and refusal to sign and accept a traffic summons. Remember, driving while impaired or unwell can quickly lead to serious incidents and legal consequences. Cooperating with medical and officer instructions helps ensure safety and a clearer resolution during emergencies. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. The witness description really helped explain how the crash happened. It's good they prioritized checking everyone's condition before continuing the investigation. Situations like this show how important it is to be fully alert when driving. You think this call can't get worse? The body cam captures the exact second officer's rush and comment if you felt that spike.
I went to the kids' care just to say hi.
And what happened over there?
Well, I was playing with the kids. I was just saying hi and then just rubbed, and that was my fault.
Rubbed what?
Like in the pinch and the leg, just like playful.
So you pinched her leg, her butt area, like what'd you...
On December 4th, 2024, a man called to report that his 17-year-old daughter had been abused by a co-worker at her workplace. The daughter told police officers that the employee appeared excessively cheerful when he approached her, suggesting that he was highly intoxicated.
So I work here. One of the front desk workers, they already sent him home. He came in here like clearly on something, and he was like acting really friendly and stuff, but not saying anything. And he jumped over that door to like start talking with one of the kids. And I was holding a little girl, and he came up to me, and he was trying to like be friendly with her. And he grabbed like my arm, and then he grabbed my butt, and that's when I told him to get out. He left.
Okay. Can I get your ID? And then do we have the guy's like name and information?
I have his name.
Okay.
Everything is on camera,
On camera?
here, but they wouldn't show me. They said to you guys.
Okay.
I guess.
And then can you give me the male's information, his name?
Brian Shad.
Do you know if he has a middle initial?
No.
Do you know if we'll be able to get, is there like a manager here right now? Okay. All right, I'm gonna go talk to the manager real quick.
It's the next officer right over.
Okay.
Hey, how you doing, guys?
Good, how's it going?
All right. How you doing? What's up, guys?
I'm wondering if we're able to see if there's any cameras in there. We can see
without a court order.
Without a court order.
Management initially hesitates to provide footage without a court order. Officers explain they need basic suspect and witness information to proceed with charges.
Regional and my owner, so we cannot. It has to be a court order. We could agree that the situations did happen. It did from the witness, but we cannot. From my owner and from my regional. I just got off the phone. It has to be court order.
Okay. And then for this Brian Shad, can I get a little bit of more information on him, like if you know his date of birth or if he has a middle initial?
I don't know. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
I just want to confirm, making sure that I'm doing everything company-wise. Do you need any other information while I'm waiting on that?
No, not at the moment. So do you know who else was in the room whenever the incident occurred?
It was another kid care worker. Did she leave already?
I'm not sure.
She's the one who called me.
Is she the one who saw it? Is she not here anymore?
She's not.
She's
the
not.
shift is till 8 p.m.
Okay.
So she left.
Could we get like a phone number for her or something? I don't need her full name or anything. I get that from her. Just some way that we can get in contact with her. Yeah.
Here's the cops right here. Bruce.
Hey, this is Officer from the Melbourne Police Department. How you doing?
Hey, doing good.
Hey, so yeah, you got it. I understand what you're saying about needing a court order as far as like protecting your guys from liability, right? However, we're at a point now where we have such a lack of information because all we have is the victim's testimony that if you guys are not willing to provide us with the suspect's information, even with the witness's information, or let us look at the camera footage without a court order, there's a good chance that the state attorney isn't even going to pick this up, and it's not going to get to a point where there are going to be subpoenas sent out. All right, so like we're trying to do everything that we can to try and protect, your juvenile employee who is battered by, an adult. But like if you guys are stonewalling us, there's not much that we're going to be able to do to help her, right?
No, I don't want to stonewall you at all in this process. This is 100% something that I am not okay with at all. So I think as far as helping you guys do your job, with her information, by all means, the only question in regards I had to it is that she was okay with that, which I'm sure she is. So we can give you that because she is an adult, so I'm not worried about that on that part.
Okay.
For the witness thing. If by chance, for some reason, it takes too long, to get you guys like a court order or anything like that.
Yeah. So the issue of the court order is we don't give those. Those are sent out by the state attorney, which that's not going to happen unless we can establish enough to actually send up charges. Which to do that we would need the suspect's information and the witness's information. Okay. So security footage, I get it, right? But at a minimum, what we would need to do our jobs and help this victim out is get the witness information and then name and date of birth for the suspect.
Sounds reasonable enough to me. By all means, you guys are able to do that. I'll say if the only reason on the video part was just because our regional had just said something before. I've always been open to you guys looking at it by all means. So if you guys end up needing it, if he can give you my email or you guys can write it down, just send me an email and I can shoot over a video file for it.
Perfect. Okay.
Officers return to the employee and confirm she wishes to pursue charges. A witness states she heard the employee object and saw the suspect leave later, confirming details via video review.
If that does need to be held, and I don't want to wait till a court order, if that needs to be done in order to get this, going for her, by all means, please let me know.
Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you. I understand what he was saying about. I don't need to talk about the security footage. That's fine. I'm fine with sending a link for you guys to upload that independently. Okay, but like I said. Tonight, right now, for us to do our job, I need the suspect's information and just a phone number for the person who saw it, so we can get in touch with
He just needs the phone number of information that saw it.
All right, okay. Let me call Mary one more time.
All right.
Since he gave the go-ahead for the suspect information, can we get that from you for now?
Suspect information?
Yeah. The guy we were just talking to, so
Brian
you can give that to us. Okay. Do you have a date of birth and stuff for him?
I cannot do it until my regional says that. She's above. She's my regional.
Okay, so
she hired me. You would see me give the information if I did something wrong.
So if
you probably would not see me here.
If he told you that it was okay, wouldn't it fall back on him? Because that's on body camera. Him saying that it's okay. We obviously heard him give you the go ahead.
But I gotta go to him. I go to and I go to my.
I would be concerned with, if we're not able to get this guy's information and we're not able to get her information, and thus we can't do anything because you guys wouldn't provide it, and then some other incident happens between them and she ends up getting hurt, right? Because he's pissed that someone called the cops, right? Well, then they're going to be looking at you guys saying, well, they didn't give the cops anything, so we couldn't do our job.
Give me 1 second. She just called back.
Hi, this is Officer Larson from the police department. How you doing? All right, so we all just got off the phone with Tom. And I explained the situation to him, and I don't know how much you've been filled in on as far as what's going on, right? But Carl gave us the go-ahead to get the suspect's information and just a phone number for the victim, because we're at a point right now where all we have is the testimony from the victim. And I get what you guys are saying about needing court orders and all that stuff to proceed with actually providing this information to us, right? But we're at a point now where we don't send out court orders. That's something that the state attorney does. And they only do that if we can build a case that is sufficient enough to actually send them criminal charges, right? And we're not going to be able to establish those if we're getting stonewalled and we're not able to get anything, right? So the security camera footage, whatever, court order you guys need, we can provide that. But at a minimum, we're going to need the suspect's information of the guy who battered your juvenile employee and, at least a phone number for the witness so that we can get in touch with her. And if she chooses to provide us her information or not, that's on her, but we at least need some way to try to get in contact with her.
Okay, well, if someone already gave you that authorization, then I would go with that.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay, so
and then just the witness's number.
Okay, so her number, I'm not going to explain, I can't explain her information, but her number is, so it's 321. What else do you need?
No, that was pretty much it.
Do you mind if we grab your information just so we can say who we talked to here?
I'm the general manager. Here's my card right here.
All right, man. Thank you.
All right, my man.
All right, thank
Have
you.
a good night.
After the officers gather information, they return to the victim to assure them that everything will be okay.
So
officers explain next steps, including documentation and possible contact from the state attorney. They note the suspect may be arrested if located.
we were able to get a little bit more information on Brian. So would you guys like to pursue charges on Brian? Okay, and then for this. Okay. Perfect. All right. So now tell us what happened.
Okay, so when it happened, I was over here cleaning, Hannah was standing here. I didn't physically see him touch her, but when I turned around, all I heard was her saying, "Get out." No, I don't like that. Like, I heard her getting, like, telling him to get out, and all I see him run out of here, jumped over the thing, ran out. But I didn't physically see him touch her, but when I did see the video footage, and yeah.
So in the video footage,
physically watching him, he's never came in here before. So why are you coming in here? But I did see him interacting with the children, like on them, like their feet and stuff like that.
okay, you said on the footage you could see the incident occur. Oh, do you have your ID on you, ma'am?
It's in my car.
I'll just get your name.
Out there, yes.
And she was the only one who witnessed, or was here when the incident occurred?
Yeah, she was on.
So I will have, since you guys do want to pursue charges, I just have a document that I'm gonna need for you to sign. Is there anything else that I'm missing?
Do you get that information?
Okay. Oh, do you have your ID on you, sir?
Yeah, I can get it.
Okay. So you said what happened while you were going to the bathroom or coming from the bathroom?
Coming from the bathroom, I saw him like towards the coffee station that they have there. He was like sticking his head out, and I smiled and everything, and he like stopped me and said like my name, and I was like, I was just wondering if that's your name, and I said yeah, and he like gave me a fist bump, and that was
okay.
Yeah, I mean, we've got enough information now. We'll be able to locate him, and obviously, if we can get in contact with him tonight, he's going to jail. And if not, then the charges are going to get filed, and they'll drop a warrant on him eventually.
What do we do next?
So basically, where this is going from here, like you said, he's going to have a document for both of you guys to sign that just says you want to pursue charges. Like I said, if we find him tonight,
Officers locate the suspect at his residence. He initially minimizes the situation, describing his actions as playful, and denies more serious contact.
tonight he's going to jail. If not, we're filing charges on him. But either way, what's going to happen next is the state attorney is probably going to reach out to you guys to try to talk to you, see what you guys want to do as far as prosecution. So that can be that there can be a little bit of time in between there, right? It's going to depend on how fast the report gets to them and how fast they work their way through it. But after tonight, it's going to be the state attorney that's reaching out to you guys. Okay. Obviously, if there's any further issues with this guy, give us a call because we can obviously add that to the report and Answer some questions for us real quick.
How's it going, Brian?
Good.
What happened today over there at the gym at Club 4?
Yeah.
What happened today?
I was set up for work.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah.
Okay, and what happened while you were at work?
Just working.
Just working? Nothing happened today with any of the other coworkers?
Yeah, I was working.
Okay, so what happened at work?
I was just set up for work.
Mm-hmm.
And I went to the kids' care just to say hi.
And what happened over there?
Well, I was playing with the kids, and I was just saying hi, and then just rubbed, and that was my fault.
Rubbed what?
Like in the pinch in the leg, just like playful.
Based on collected statements and reported video evidence, officers detain the suspect and place him under arrest.
Pinched her leg, her butt area, like what'd you do?
Yeah, just playful.
And then did you grab her at all?
No. It's like on the video. I didn't grab her. I was just being playful.
Okay. Pardon me. Just follow me up here to my car. Just step in.
The officers decide that his
Officers inform the suspect's parents of the arrest, providing limited details, while confirming an allegation of battery supported by evidence.
Hello.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Good. How are you? So, are you guys Brian's parents or?
Yeah. What's
Okay.
going on?
So he's there's an incident. I can't give you a whole lot of information, but unfortunately there was an incident at his work earlier, and as a result of that incident, he's going to jail tonight. Okay. He'll be able to provide you guys with more information when he gets up there. He can give you a call and let you know what happened. But
Can you please tell us what he did?
because I'm going to worry all night long.
So he'll be able to call you and give you that information. Does he know your phone number?
Yes.
By heart?
Yes.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, he'll be able to call you. I can't really tell you a whole lot, but you know, the most I can give you is that there was an allegation of battery that happened, and there was enough evidence to substantiate it as far as camera footage and all that. That you know, unfortunately, he's going to jail tonight. Okay.
What kind of battery?
Well, that means fight or touch or...
It'd be a couple of different things.
Like what?
Sexual?
No, it's not sexual battery or anything like that. Like I said, he'll be able to call you. There's limited information that I can give you as far because like confidentiality and stuff. But he can call you when he gets up there. It'll be a couple hours, but he'll be able to call you guys, let you know exactly what the charges are, and you know all that good stuff. Okay.
He didn't say anything when he got home from work. Just that they didn't need him tonight, so he.
Okay. Yeah.
So he's in the car right now.
Yes.
Ready to go.
Yeah. I will ask you this: has he had a history of like narcotics use or anything like that?
Well,
He's vaping something.
something in a vape.
That's
all I
all
can
we
tell you.
know.
Okay.
What that is, he says he gets a headshot.
Okay.
Says it's legal, all this bull crap, but if it is, he don't need to be on it.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Has he been using?
The suspect was arrested on allegations of battery based on the employee's statement, supporting witness observations and referenced video evidence. Remember, workplace boundaries must be respected at all times, especially in environments involving minors. Prompt reporting and cooperation with investigators are essential for addressing incidents appropriately. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. Glad the employee spoke up right away and reported it. The officers handled the situation professionally and explained everything clearly. Situations like this show why cameras and witnesses are important. Think this situation was already intense. The body cam catches a split-second decision that changes everything. Comment if you saw it coming.
While climbing on a shelf, pulled him onto the carpet. That whole situation, a parent had seen and called DCF about it. I want to make sure she doesn't ever work in a daycare or any kind of childcare facility.
On March 14th, 2025, police received a report from a daycare concerning a teacher who had allegedly rough-handled a 3-year-old child. Officers responded to the scene and launched an investigation into the incident, interviewing a senior staff member at what was now the teacher's former place of employment.
Go ahead.
Doing well.
So I'm here regarding an incident that occurred a couple of days ago regarding a teacher.
Oh, you have a name?
I don't have a name. They didn't provide anything. We don't have a name on the child. We don't have a name on the teacher.
Okay. DCF lady was just here.
Did DCF give a card?
She did.
Oh, that'd be great, so we can give her a call.
I'll probably get DCF product. She should put it here. That's her.
All right, and do you have your information as well? I would like to speak to the teacher.
She's fired.
She was fired?
She was fired.
Okay, yeah.
I can give you
her information. Yeah, I will need her information.
Yeah,
thank you.
Did anyone witness the kidnapping of the child? Was there anyone witness?
Oh, yeah.
Did you witness it? Did you see the,
I didn't know.
the teacher?
Staff provides access to video and personnel information. The officer prepares to review evidence and identify those involved.
I didn't, but we do have video. You can see it.
Oh, that'd be great.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is the child here today?
She's nap
Oh, nap time?
Yeah, nap time.
Okay. Did she
You
suffer
know, the
any?
best thing for you to do is call that lady. She should answer your call and get the. You can ask our question. I will answer everything. You know, but because you guys work together so often, so she has all the information. I mean, you're seeking. Yeah, and I'm sure you guys share information too.
Yeah, but this is a
That's just a receipt. She's writing up the.
I know, but the number that she gave you is not her cell phone number.
Oh,
that
it's
goes
not?
to like
Okay.
that. Yeah, as soon as I looked at it, I was
she
like,
won't
yeah.
give out this.
Yeah, her cell phone. The
cell phone number to us anyway.
So really, she does her investigation, and we look at
No,
criminal.
of course. Yeah.
So
Let me show you
the video, and then did you get the information for the lady that they fired? Like, do you have
I need to get that. I don't know if you have her
Phone number and
face
everything.
sheet, like, you know, where it has all her information.
The incident is described as unacceptable by the facility. The employee was removed from the classroom immediately after the report and later dismissed.
As well. And that kid climbed there. I showed the DCF
lady the same video, and she should just go there and take care of the situation. Kids of that age, they're not very communicative verbally. See, she threw that. Now that get her attention. That's enough for us to fire her.
So she grabbed him by the left arm.
By the arm and
left arm.
threw her on the floor.
Is it normal to have all these kids for one teacher?
Yeah, the ratio is crazy. Ratio is 1 to 11.
1 to 11. Okay.
Yeah, well, actually, at that age, 1 to 15, because most of the kids are 3 and a half, 1 to 16. We don't run the.
I'm guessing that she didn't think it was wrong. Did he complain of any injuries, or did he cry or anything?
No, not this time. I mean, kids cry all the time, but not this time.
I don't see anyone in the room. How did you guys become aware of it?
Well, a parent saw it and brought it to our attention.
A parent?
Yeah, and then our director went there together with the admin up front. We took her out of the classroom immediately.
So was a parent in the room? What was the parent in the room?
Parents at the door.
Oh, at the door. He must have been the guy that I saw walking out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
At the door.
Okay. All right. And I need her information.
Yeah.
What did she say after the incident when she was brought in?
We did not let her say anything. We took her out. She went to the break room, cried a little, and she was out near tears. She was very remorseful, and we saw the video. This happened on 8/20.
Okay. How was she notified of
She was
the
notified
decision?
by email.
Through email.
It's through email.
Through an email. Okay.
Yeah.
Did she reply back anything?
She did not, but I do have the email. I do have the email. I wrote the email.
Do you have it?
Yeah, I do have
okay.
it. Yeah.
By any chance, do you think I can lay eyes on the child?
You definitely can.
The officer checks on the child, who is resting, and confirms there are no obvious signs of injury at that time.
I just want to make sure, I have to do my end, make sure he's okay.
We can talk to the teacher at the door. You take the name of the boy. The classroom is
How you doing, ma'am? Is this
Who's calling?
this officer with the Miller Police Department?
Oh, hi. Yes, this is her.
How you doing, ma'am?
I'm doing good. Sorry. How about you?
I'm good. Sorry to call you this early, but I had a question, okay? And I want to talk to you if you had a chance to speak right now.
Yes.
I'm sure you were aware of the situation at the daycare.
Yes.
Okay, so I just wanted to ask you if you would like to pursue charges against the teacher.
Okay.
The parent describes the report received, including that the child was pulled by the arm. Minor marks were noticed, but not clearly linked to the incident.
So I would actually like to press charges. I want to make sure she doesn't ever work in a daycare or any kind of childcare facility ever again.
If you have a little bit of time, just maybe like 5 minutes, just if you can explain to me what happened, how you find out, and how it all occurred.
A couple days ago, we usually pick him up around 5. So we get to the daycare. He was in the classroom that day, and we heard some stuff going on in the office. It kind of sounded like an investigation, and I was like, oh, that's strange. Nobody said anything to us about anything. So then we went over to go pick my daughter up from school. She's only like 10 minutes away, and I get a notification on my ProCare app, which is the app connecting the daycare to like us, so we can get uptime, like details of what's going on throughout the day with the kids. And they had sent through a notification. It says 8:20 in the morning, pulled by arm. Parents were not notified, and first aid administered was TLC. And then the note says, while climbing on a shelf, pulled him onto the carpet. The teacher was removed from the room. And that's how we were notified. We weren't notified about anything else, what exactly happened. And when I read that, I was like, what the heck? A parent had seen that whole situation and called DCF about it, and that they had removed the teacher from the room and replaced her with somebody else. It was too aggressive for their liking, and then she was fired later on that day.
Complain of any injuries at any time?
He didn't say anything. Okay. He's still not fully, I think, aware of what really happened because he's only 3. We asked him a little bit. He just said, yeah, my teacher by my arm. That was really it. It didn't seem like it was really bothering him. There was a couple bruises, but I think it also could have been just because he's a boy and he's rough too. I don't know if they were already there, if they're from that. So I didn't really worry about it too much.
Okay, well, all right, so
The officer documents the parent's statement and prepares the case for further investigation.
I'm going to document the conversation we had, and then I'll refer it to the case officer, and should be reaching out to you tomorrow. All right, man. Well, you have a good day, okay?
All right, thank you so much for calling.
Later that day.
Real quick, I'm sure you're aware about what happened the other day, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So before I ask you any questions, I gotta read this to you, okay? These are gonna be your Miranda warnings, okay? So before we ask you any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions and to have him with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. Do you understand each of these rights I have explained to you? Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now? What happened the day of the child?
He threw it away so I went to move him.
Later, officers locate the former employee, advise her of her rights, and question her about the incident. She states the child fell while being redirected.
I'm over to the toy to get it, and when I let go of him, he fell, and it looked very awful. Because me watching the camera, I'm like, yeah, I see it. That looked so awful. But he also tripped over my foot when he did fall.
Now, were you having like a bad day? Were you frustrated or something because of all the kids being around or screaming? Or...
No, I was good. There's sometimes where I do get frustrated. I'll back up and don't talk, or I won't touch the kid. I'll back up. But I wasn't frustrated at that moment. I just wanted him to pick up the toy he threw.
All right, Savannah. So I want you to understand this, okay? And this is coming from the parents and people above. Right now, you're under arrest.
Based on the investigation and reported conduct, the employee is placed under arrest and transported for booking.
What?
You're going to be
But
under arrest.
he said I wasn't.
Turn around, okay?
Have you been arrested before? All right, catch your breath. It's not that big of a deal. Yeah. This is what's gonna happen. You're gonna go up there, all right? I'm gonna give him your phone number, the bondsman, and they'll work on getting you out today. Okay? You just got to get booked. I don't know. Like I said, it's their case.
If you have anything with you that you want to leave, is he your husband?
Boyfriend. Their
boyfriend?
Yeah, boyfriend.
Okay, and is he
Dad?
dad?
Yeah.
Dad, okay. So whatever you want to leave with dad or boyfriend, you can leave it with him, okay?
It's gonna have to go up to Sharps and Coco, get booked, and then you guys can call and get her taken out, okay?
Alright, so
I know you didn't do nothing. What is the problem?
It's him.
So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit, okay? So is there anything that she has on her that you guys would like to keep? Her wallet, phone?
She's being
phone?
arrested?
She is, but at the moment she
They
is.
said I wanted, the daycare said I wanted either. They said it was just a misunderstanding.
DCF
and
said that
I
too
haven't
to
even
her.
talked to DCF. They said that DCF said I was good, that they would just talk to me, and I haven't even talked to DCF.
Child abuse at the moment. It's going to be her first time being arrested. She's probably going to be able to.
Yeah, but that's on her record, and that's her
It
job
is.
that she
It
wants
is.
to do.
It is. And this is coming from above. It's coming from my supervisors, okay?
But DCF hasn't even talked to me, and the DCF told the daycare.
Probable cause for an arrest. It doesn't mean she's guilty.
Yeah.
So she'll still have to go through the court system, and she will be found not guilty.
They didn't do this to the lady at the daycare that scratched them.
I wanted her to leave this daycare because they do not protect their teachers. And I told her that week that I wanted her out. These kids throw, scratch, kick.
I wasn't frustrated, I promise.
You should be able to get her out today.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got a babysit at 6.
Where's your phone? So
It's in my back pocket. It's on
She's not going to
Facebook.
be able to take the piercings, so I don't know if you can take him out.
I don't know.
I can take them out.
You can
He
take him
can
out?
unrest you.
Yeah. They're difficult to come out.
It's difficult to come out.
Try to tell your mom how to do it,
You
maybe?
gotta relax.
I don't know.
if
I
can
actually really did it the one time.
What?
The one time I came out, I actually
Took her wallet.
I'm going to search her pockets and
Everything.
everything.
Get
And
arrested.
whatever she has on her,
Scratch marks.
if she has any phone numbers that she want to take with her, she can. We just write it down on a piece of paper that she can take it with her, okay?
I have cash in my pocket too.
Where would that be?
Where my wallet was.
You know what? This is what I'll do for you. I'll take the handcuffs off that side. That way you can take them off, okay?
They all said that she was fine. They sent her. This happened on Thursday. Why are they arresting her on Sunday?
It's a felony, so
But I
it
didn't
doesn't have a
do
timeline.
anything. Even the daycare said it was just a misunderstanding.
They said it was a misunderstanding, and he let her go because he didn't want bad. A parent was walking by the room, and she
If I'm not
redirected
mistaken, it
a
was the
child.
parent. If I'm not mistaken, it was the parent who reported it to DCF.
Yeah, and it was a parent
Are you
that
able
it
to
wasn't the
give mom
child.
your...
I can't get that one off. My watch needs to come off.
Yeah, we'll take it off.
Okay.
I'll take this one off. So you can take that one off, okay?
Here, I'll get it. It's all right. Relax. You got it.
I did it.
Oh.
I did it.
It's okay.
I just wanted to. I was
You know the
frustrated.
story, and you know.
I'm sorry. Do I need my rings off too?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just the gel won't take them, and then your necklace as
Oh.
well.
And we gotta get your.
My belly piercing too.
Yeah.
I have
Never
a
been to
permanent bracelet on my ankle.
There's a form that you can write down a couple of things. And everything, yeah.
But I want
So
to be a teacher. Would that affect it?
Not if you're found not guilty.
Okay.
Yeah, so this doesn't mean that you're gonna be convicted of a felony or child. Okay, it's just
Okay.
you're being charged.
Can you get
with
it off?
Alright, you stand right here because I don't know the check too, but I still have to do a
Yeah, you're
blood search,
good.
Okay. Are you wearing a bra today?
Yeah.
Okay. You have anything in your bra that's gonna stick me, poke me, or hurt me?
No. Unless the wire's broken. I don't know if the wire's broken, but I don't think it is.
Okay. Just gotta make sure that
Yeah.
you know. Sometimes we deal with some people that are just weird and have this needles and stuff. Okay.
Yeah, his uncles are all cops and they tell us.
Are they?
stories.
Okay. Anything in your pockets?
I don't think so. I think we took them all out.
And that pocket is ripped, so there's nothing in there, okay? And then on that pocket, there was only your wallet, correct?
Yeah.
All right. And just come off. So once I get the seatbelt on, if you like turn to the side, it'll be a little bit more comfortable on your hands, okay? All right, Mom. Do you have any phone numbers that you would like her to have?
Yeah, mine.
Okay.
And he told us she's probably gonna have to stay overnight. Well,
So if you
he
wanna
said
write down-
because of the bond. 'Cause
Okay, so-
they'll put no bond because it was child abuse.
Yeah. So she'll see the judge hopefully in the morning.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, depending on how busy they are, they'll see the judge in the morning and then. I don't know.
She's gonna be traumatized over this.
Usually every time I got arrested, it was 10 o'clock.
Yeah, it's usually 10.
10
Sometimes it can run
o'clock,
later. When she's getting in this early, it should be.
This doesn't mean that she's going to be convicted of it. It's just a
Yeah, but
charge,
this is gonna ruin her life.
unfortunately.
She don't know that, but I know. All she knows, she's worked child care for 3 years. She's been at that one. They just gave her a raise a week and a half ago. She begged them to get these kids out of the class because they're such bad kids. They get written up 3 or 4 times.
The individual was arrested on a charge related to abuse of a minor. Remember, professional environments that involve caregiving require consistent adherence to safe handling standards. Prompt reporting and documentation can help ensure incidents are reviewed and addressed appropriately. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. It's good that there was video and a witness so the situation could be reviewed clearly. The response from the daycare and police seemed quick once it was reported. Situations like this show how important oversight is in care settings. What do you think about these situations? Comment below to share your thoughts and like this video if you want to continue calling out such cases. To stay updated, don't hesitate to subscribe to Law Zone for more content.